Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Danny for Cupcakes Gourmet, and today I'm gonna show you how to make Minnie Mouse, a super easy way to make Minnie Mouse. But before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe as always. And today I will dedicate my video to Glenna Harris, and she left a little comment, so this video is for you. So yesterday I posted a video making Mickey, and I spent my whole day trying to figure out how to show you guys an easy way to follow steps. And I will have this template on Facebook tomorrow on my webpage. So you're gonna make a ball, and you're gonna see that little triangle teardrop shape, and we're gonna follow that. So there's a little mark that's gonna be black, and that's where we need to cut. So we just gonna need to make the teardrop shape and fit there on that template and cut the part that says black. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the red, and then we're gonna cut as well. Just remember, then your teardrop, the red one and the black one need to be the same size. Okay, so when you make the teardrop shape, try to keep the size that's in a template. If you want to make a mini that's bigger than the one I'm making, go for it. Just try to follow the template, but not literally, because you need a bigger one, or print it bigger. You know, you always can do that. So I put the black part and then the bottom part of the red, and just make sure that's all together. And now I'm gonna pinch the edges to make look like a dress, like a skirt. So we're just gonna pinch together all around, just really pinch it. And then with any tool, backup paintbrush, anything around it and skinny, you can just mark up just to give a little life to the dress. If you haven't seen yet, yesterday I posted Mickey, and then this is a really cool way to make it, really easy way to start modeling. So I put the toothpick just to let it dry, and now you see I'm using the template to make the circle for the face. And I'm just gonna leave the bottom part a little flatter, so we know what's up, what's down, and give a little more shape to the face, just like that. And I am going to make two little balls. I make the balls first to be sure that they are the same size. And I will push them down until I see my template be the same. If you haven't yet send your comment or leave your like and subscribe to the channel, please do that, because I will have I am having a giveaway that started yesterday, and it will be until the end of February. So if you subscribe to the channel and leave a comment and give a like on the videos, then they're gonna be in the channel until the end of February. You'll be, participating. I cut the toothpick in half and put in the sides to put the ear, and also on the template there's a little trace where I put the ears to help you guys out if you need it. Now I made two balls, and we're gonna make a long teardrop shape for the arms that's there, and the template as well. I think the template, it really helps us if you want to make for sale, if you want to make for a party favor, or make a candle, then you want to repeat the same thing. Since craft is like the word definition, craft, we are not a machine, so it's gonna be very hard to make everything exactly the same, but you can make as close as possible if you have a template or a measurement or anything. So I put the two arms on the side of the body, and now I made a very long skinny snake for the tail, and I'm just gonna place right in the back. I like to place the tail flash on the body, because if you're shipping this or sending it, it always can break on the shipping. So if you do like that, it's not gonna break. I make a long snake, and I was trying to measure to show you guys, so it's like 5 fingers, my fingers, so to help you out. Flatten out, and we're gonna start making the ball. Flatten out, find the middle. As you can see, there's black on my red, so I turn around. Be careful with your table, especially when you're working in black, because black sticks and everything. So, or do like me, turn around. Mark the middle, put the two parts together, push, pinch in the middle, like to get the little middle of the bowl, and I'm just marking the center just to give a little fluffiness, a little more life to the bowl. And now I make a little tiny snake, flatten out to mark the center of the ribbon, like the ribbons coming around in the bowl. You can definitely use a silicone mold if you want to, or you can make another type of bowl, but I thought that this one was kind of mini-ish and also easy to make. I'm just gonna push in the middle of the ears. That's why I like to put the ears first, so I know exactly what the bowl is gonna be. Now for the face, you see I'm following the template for the black part, so I know that it's not gonna be bigger than that for sure. And there I made a little template for the face. What I would do if you're starting, just print that twice, cut that part, put on top of it, and just, you know, trace and cut it. The face, I think, is gonna be the easiest way for you. But if you wanna do like me, I just cut it. And I'm also, again, using the pumpkin cutter. You can use any other cutter, a hard cutter, anything that has that little butt curve in the middle. And I'm just marking what the cheeks are gonna be, and then I just use my hands to make that little cheek part, and then to finish the head. So I will cut in a curve way until I get to the corner where I mark the cheeks, and then I'm just gonna use my hands to smooth all the edges and make that look the same to one side to the other. Always try to pay attention on your sides, you know, because as much more detail and love you put it on your piece, as better it's gonna look like in the end. Even little tiny details make a difference. So as you can see, I'm just making sure that there's no, you know, ridges or anything that is not soft and smooth, and I'm trying to be sure that it's all the same. But definitely cut it and put it on top and draw and cut it. It will be easier, you know. And then I'm just gonna place on the face. As you can see, I got the wrong face because I'm making more. I have an order that I need to deliver, so I was making a bunch. And that's why I start making the Mickey for Minnie, the Mickey video and the Minnie video. As you can see the part of the one that has the bow there. So I'll start it over, and I will go over it with you guys and show the bow very fast again, just for you to see that I'm not lying. I marked the little eyes, and then I made it a little ball for the nose, just like this. And I will make 2 little balls the same size for the eyes. I don't know if you care about it, but I'm using the air dry clay. I leave the clay link below in case you can find. You can find at Amazon like for, I don't know, 10-15 bucks. A bunch of different colors if you want to try. And it's a good one to start if you never work. Cold porcelain, that's what I used to use from Brazil. It's a little harder to find here if you live in US. And dries a little faster and sticks everywhere, so I kind of like this one, especially for cake toppers or, you know, keychains and things like that, because if it falls on the floor, it's not gonna break. As you can see, I'm making my little bow again, since I used the face on the wrong one. And again, I want to say one thing for the giveaway. Like the videos, leave a comment, and be subscribed to my channel until the end of February, so all the videos then pop up, and you're gonna get a notification, like and leave a comment, and you're gonna be in to get 2 sets of brushes. Is one price, or 1 set brush and 1 set of silicone mold putty, so you can make the molds with me. And now I'm just using any skinny tool or a tool pick or anything that has a little pointy to make the polka dots. And I'm using acrylic paint. I don't think it's anything special. It's just like Deco Art or Omar brand, any acrylic paint that you can find in white. I always like to make on the top of the bowl, because you know, if it's a topper or a candle or any decoration, people go around, so you just don't see your piece in front of it. You see as a 3D, you know, view. So I like to make them all around, and I'm making the polka dots for the part of the dress. Minnie can be red, can be pink. Now I think it's even purple. You can do it. And now I'm gonna make 2 little balls with white for her hands. In my channel you can see a bunch of different mini tutorials. They're very full of detail ones, and this one is for like a beginner or for selling, or you know, if you want to give as a present. But if you want to go in new directions, or you want to try a more modeling sculpting one, I also have here on my channel. I'm using a very skinny brush to make the eyelashes and the eyebrows, just to give a little bit more of the cute face. I normally like to make eyebrows and eyelashes for Minnie. I don't do for Mickey the eyebrows, but Minnie looks cute. And now I'm just showing you, wait for dry to do this, but I'm just using a little makeup blush just to give a little pink on her cheeks, but wait for dry so you don't mess up everything that you did so far. And I'm gonna place the head on the body. If you're not making a video like me, just let them dry separately, and then you put on the top of the body so it doesn't heft down and doesn't misshape your body. And last but not least, I am making 2 little balls and 2 teardrop shapes for her little high heels, her little shoes. And the same way that I make the Mickey, but for the Minnie, I kind of like to make a little line on the bottom to separate, you know, the heel of the shoe and the bottom of the shoe, just to give a little bit more of life and more detail on our pretty Minnie. And this Minnie, you can follow the steps for fondant, for clay, air dry clay, for normal clay, for cold porcelain, for female, anything that you want to do, you can follow the steps. Just adapt your materials, and then try to have fun and be patient, because sometimes you cannot make the first time, but if you keep trying, I'm pretty sure you can do it. I hope you guys like it, the Minnie. This is the Mickey. I'm gonna show you guys as well, just in case if you didn't see the video and you want to see it, just go down below. I will leave the link for you guys. Thank you so much for watching all my videos, and leave a comment and give a like so you can participate the giveaway. Thank you so much, guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.